Get 10 million of these coins for under $100 to become a millionaire. Imagine investing in Aave, synthetics, or compound when they were first released. You would have become a millionaire with a very small investment. What if we tell you that there's another chance sitting right under your nose, similar to what we saw with decentralized finance? DeFi was king for months, and we're seeing things shift right now. DeFi is moving over in favor of NFTs, which some people would argue is still part of DeFi, but that's not what we're talking about. Hey guys, glad to have you back. Today's video is going to be an interesting one, so make sure you watch it until the end. Today we're going to be dropping some bombs with our top 3 millionaire maker coins. Before that, if you like money in crypto, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to enjoy more videos just like this. So without further ado, let's get into the video. We're very confident that our very first NFT for today is going to be a massive mover in the cryptocurrency market. By now, most of you already know and understand what an NFT is, but for those of you who are new to the crypto world, non-fungible tokens, commonly referred to as NFTs, represent a unique digital item, and they are not interchangeable. To make it even more clear, let's look at an example. Suppose you have a Bitcoin, and we have a Bitcoin. Now we swap those Bitcoins, and they spend the exact same way. NFTs, on the other hand, don't work like that. If we have an NFT, and you have an NFT, swapping them isn't necessarily going to be the same thing. There's going to be a difference. This basically allows us to make different unique tokens that are paired up with digital goods, for instance, collectibles. NFTs are finally the first way to bring true and authentic collectibles into a digital format. We can now attach rarity and authenticity to a digital collection. They are the hottest thing in cryptocurrency right now. So let's not delay any longer and move on to the list. Coming in at number 3, we have Chiliz. No, not that place where you get baby back ribs. We are talking about Chiliz with a Z. Chiliz is an incredible NFT platform that's absolutely rocketed, which is one of its biggest strengths, but could possibly also be its biggest weakness. It has 128x'd in the last year. Not to mention, a bunch of our team members also had a pretty nice position at Chiliz at one time, but they gave up on it. Of course, they regret that decision now. As we've told you guys before, patience is the key in this cryptocurrency business. As the experts predict, you should consider investing in Chiliz right now, as it's going to go up by almost 500% in the next 2 weeks. Just know that this project is going to be massive. It will eventually get bigger, but it could possibly see a correction before you see the true potential. Let's talk about what Chiliz specializes in: fan tokens for sports teams. They've been heavily focused on international football teams, or as men call it, soccer. Their entry into the real football league, the NFL, is a huge hit. Their New York office is coincidentally the place where almost every major sports league in America, including the NFL, has their main office. Chiliz has made it all the way to the top 40 and is soon going to be in the top 20, since we can see that it has the potential. Coming in at number 2, we have ECOMI, OMI. ECOMI has done a mind-blowing 46,000% returns in the previous year. We can't even wrap our heads around that. The most mind-blowing thing about ECOMI is that it's done a 315% return alone. And when you look up for the most searched projects on CoinGecko, you can clearly see that ECOMI is right at the top. Let's now talk about ECOMI and why is it so big? ECOMI already has an active application called Veve. It's basically a digital collectibles application. It's a working product, and according to Bitcoin.com, it has tons of active partners, which include Batman, Superman, Harley Quinn, Wonder Woman, Ultraman, that of course you guys are familiar with. It's absolutely insane. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. The ECOMI token, OMI, will be the currency of the Veve application to be able to buy those above-mentioned digital collectibles. As the NFTs market is blowing up, legitimate companies with digital collectibles will most probably be the biggest winners, we suppose. Who's a bigger winner than Batman? BitBoy, but sure, whatever. Similar to Chiliz, we see that you do have the risk of getting in at an appropriate time. careful with your entry, but we do believe that ECOMI has more room to run. Now let's move on to the number 1 NFT moon pick, SafeMoon. It is the crypto coin that launched 1,000 coins and a couple of scams as well. If you hadn't noticed, the crypto coin market has gone quite mainstream. If you're somewhere close to the ages of 18 and 40, you can most likely guide through all the Discord and Telegram talks to sort out how and purchase those crypto coins without laying out $60,000 for a pretty Bitcoin over an established exchange. Welcome to the altcoin market. The fanfare all began with the launch of SafeMoon, the first prominent altcoin utilizing a generally new strategy in digital money. Most customary digital money, like Bitcoin, depends on solid algorithms which reward individuals for mining Bitcoins, utilizing exceptionally complex PC programs and computing power to take care of issues along a long chain of associated tokens or coins. The thought is to make a currency which has limited inflationary traits in light of the fact that there are only so many coins in the whole universe, around 20 million for Bitcoin. SafeMoon adopted an alternative strategy. Rather than utilizing math and mining to find the coins, why not start with a massive amount of coins which burn down use after use and over time? So they started with a quadrillion coins, 1,000 trillion coins, for the SafeMoon contract and put them out on the market. This community is solid and is as of now in progress to land some greater reputation and by getting onto the exchanges where their exposure can hit traditional channels. By our estimation, the highest it can probably ever go is $0.002, 0.002 of 1 cent. Still, that would make thousands of SafeMoon holders millionaires. This will likely take at least a year or more, so it's not a bad long-term hold. More likely, the price will hit $0.00005 and stall for a while, but still, that's a 50 times return on a $100 investment. That said, this is it for today. We hope this video one way or another was of some help to you. Are you gonna invest in any of these cryptocurrencies? Tell us in the comments section. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.